They're warm by the fire. Ooh, it's thriller time. Okay, we're at the convention already. It's been a few hours. I forgot to check in this morning. So hi, day 3. Are you excited? Yeah. We've got some stuff. He's so cute. And then yeah, we did some more shopping. We saw Banana. It's a cats living in bananas, or like the cats are bananas and they're just living in a house doing their thing. Yeah. It's so cool. It's so cute. There's a daddy banana. And now they're doing like a dance off over here or something. Look at those kids. Ooh, they're doing the thriller. Damn, who are they? A couple of old people. Oh my god, is it still zoomed in? No. And yeah, so we're just gonna spend a few more hours here doing stuff. He's gonna make a list of things he needs to do before we go. Yeah. And yeah, that's it. More to come. I'm wearing my kitty ears. I felt like it was appropriate. Okay, bye. Ooh, it's frothy.
You having a good day?
We're home. Oh my god. Mom, you just interrupted me. I'm just kidding. We're home. See, he's getting water. Whoa. We finished off our day. What did we do at the end? We just shopped. Till we dropped. Literally, like I'm so tired. And then we went to get lunch and then our car broke down. So that was fun. And we decided to just end the day because we're tired and it's hot. It's so hot. It's like 91 degrees, something like that. It's nasty outside. But now we're just gonna hang out and probably swim and stuff. But yeah, really good Crunchyroll Expo. Woo! 3 days, did it, and it was really good. Official review, I'm gonna give it as a non-anime person. Like, I saw 2 episodes of, what was it, Death Note, and then I've seen Spirited Away a few times.
Well, you watched the whole season of Banana.
Oh, I did. We watched the whole season of Banana this morning. It's so cute. I love that. But yeah, so it was really good. Yeah, I'm gonna give it like a solid, as a non-anime person, like a solid 8 out of 10. I was gonna say 7 because I feel like anime is really important. So, and I don't know anything. But it was really cute. I got some really cute stickers. I'm really excited about those stickers. The octopuses are so amazing. Oh, my shirt. It's a BDSM bears. Yeah, that's it. That's the entire thing. Great expo.
Yeah.
Doing it again next year?
Yeah.
Woo! Ow. He's ready to play. Okay, I'm gonna go then. Bye. And like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more awkward content. Okay, cool, bye.